Yeah, from Greenwich Primary School in conjunction with birthday. So here in the Jerome Wood Park, we get the school children involved in conservation as well. Looks like our Sankonas have gone back home. Ladies and gentlemen, our Sankonians. Thank you. Trainers. The trainers are in the audience and they're choosing 2 more volunteers. The next 2 birds coming out, they are turtle toucans. Yeah, turtle toucans, they nest in tree hollows, and in the morning, both the male and the female turtle toucan will leave the nest in search of food for their young. The next 2 birds coming out, high up, all eyes on the toucan, all set. Up to the front. Wow! That was a good one. Okay, all eyes on the other toucan now. Ready? Next, before you begin, Papa, want to tell them? He's asking everyone to? Yes, quiet so that you can hear him. Sound effect number 1. What's that? Knocking. Yes, so if you have a knock on the door, you will ask, who? He's asking who it is. I think I know who it is. Yeah, it's his very fierce neighbor, the dog. Is it a dog? Sounds like a little puppy, isn't it? Good job, Papa. Papa can also do high-tech sounds. Papa, what is this?
Fun.
Telephone! Yeah, so the telephone is ringing. You pick up and you say hello. Say hello. Good job! Let's give Papa some encouragement. Wow! Now, Papa can also copy human sounds. Yeah, sounds like you and I make. So when you're really, really sad, you cry, right? You cry. Oh, don't be sad, Papa. You know what? I'm gonna cheer him up. I'm gonna tickle him. Okay, I'm gonna tickle you. Okay, not very sincere laughter, right? But Papa, you're happy now, right? When Papa is happy, he will do his happy dance. Look at him. Like, round, round, round. Hey! Okay, stop. You're making yourself dizzy, Papa. Now, Papa is learning how to sing the birthday song. Is there anyone celebrating a birthday today? Yeah, if it's your birthday, raise your hand. Birthday, over here. Your birthday, young man? No? Whose birthday here? You see hands going up and going down. Your birthday? No. Okay, no. Anyone here? Celebrating birthday? Birthday, yes. 1, 2. Anybody else? Your birthday too, young lady? 3. Okay, anybody here? This side. Where? Yes, you, sir. Are you raising your hand? Are you asking someone to raise their hand? Don't be shy. Your birthday, ma'am? Yeah, alright. So we've got a few ladies celebrating birthday today. Papa is going to sing the first line of the birthday song. Are you ready? Told you he's still learning. Okay, we're going to do this together, alright? Happy birthday to you. Okay, on your own. That's good enough. Okay, it's time for Papa to go, but before he leaves, he has something very sweet to say to all of you. I love you. I love you. Oh, Papa, I love you too. Okay, everybody wave and say bye-bye to Papa. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Swimming. Bye-bye. Bye-bye to Papa. Now, ladies and gentlemen, just a reminder, parents such as Papa, they're not easy to upkeep and they require a lot of time and commitment. Yes. Now, this is Vicky. Vicky is our female great pine hornbill, and great pine hornbills, they're one of the largest hornbills found in Asia. Now, when the female wants to nest, she will look for cavities in trees. Everyone, look at that nest box right over there. Now, that nest box is similar to the nest boxes we give our hornbills here in the Jerome Wood Park. Okay, I'm going to bring Vicky right up this way. We need everyone to remain seated, please. Yeah, young lady, please sit down, please. Thank you very much. And Vicky's going to fly to the nest box. Sit down, please. Please, can you help me? Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, so when Vicky walks past you, please do not reach out to touch the bird. Safety. Once again, please do not reach out to touch the bird. Thank you. All right, Vicky, I need you to fly. Hang on. Don't run away. Vicky's going to fly that way. Remain seated, okay? Vicky, there you go. All right, Vicky, your nest box is Then you hop along. There you go. Okay, so what Vicky would do is to look around the nest box. And if she likes the box, she will go inside. Oh, in she goes. Yeah, so once inside, the female will seal herself in using regurgitated food, soil, and even her own droppings. To make the entrance really small, just enough for her feet to stick out. Right, Vicky? If you like your nest box, let's seal it now. There you go. And Vicky, where are you? There she is. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to welcome Alfred. Alfred is a male great pied hornbill. And this is how the male meets the female inside the nest. Okay, this will take place after 3 to 4 months. Imagine the female inside the nest after 3 to 4 months. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here in the Jurong Bird Park, we have successfully bred the oriental pied hornbills using nest boxes just like that. Yeah, and thanks to the contribution to the Conservation Fund, we have released all these hornbills into the nature reserve around Singapore. Yeah, together with the Singapore National Park Boards, as well as some bird experts, we have released all these hornbills around Jurong Bird Park. Yeah, so later when you're exploring the park, keep your eyes wide open for our wild oriental pied hornbills. Okay, Alfred, can you turn around and fly down to the stage to me? This way, Alfred, over here. Alfred, you missed me. It's okay, never mind. Let's try over here. Ladies and gentlemen, our hornbills.
Well done, Alfred. Ladies and gentlemen, now comes the time to simply enjoy the bird's flight. If you want to volunteer, raise your hands. The trainers, they will pick you. Now look at the bird's powerful wings as they fly past. Now this allows them to shoot through branches and trees in the rainforest of South America. Now unfortunately, their wild friends are losing their homes at a rate of 1 football field per day. Now this is due to human development. Now we can all do our part for these beautiful birds by buying less of everything. Or even better, if we can all reuse our old things, buy second-hand or recycled products, this will reduce the need to make new things and the clearing of the birds' homes. Looks like everyone's ready for team number 5 birds. Because at the end of this, we are bringing out our young flamingos for photography. Photography is free, so all you have to do is bring down your own cameras. In the meantime, you're more than welcome to take pictures